I have a controversial opinion that I need to share with you. If you like diamond painting, much like I have liked diamond painting for the past 5 years, you and I, you watching, should like the same crafts as me. Okay, we should have the same opinions, the same preferences for crafts. And if you do not, that's totally fine. I guess it's fine. But like, let's be best friends and try new crafts together. So I ran across Craft Club. They have been on my radar for a very long time. Like, I don't know how long. A long time, okay? Like maybe even a year. I don't know. Has it been that long? But anyways, so I kept getting their ads. I keep getting their ads. Their ads are very good, okay? As someone who works in digital marketing, I can admit, yes, their ads got me because it's constantly in my face. So when I saw that they were having a mid-year sale, I was like, you know what? Now's the time. Now's the time to pick up a couple kits from Craft Club. But in this video right now, today, we're going to unbox the 2 things that I got. Actually, there's 3 things because one of them was a bonus. But I ended up getting a half stitch kit and a latch hook kit. I have not latch hooked in 20 years. 20 years. Okay, I'm old. I'm fully aware that I'm old, but I have not latch hooked in a very long time. So I was looking, and I've looked at their site before, but because everything was on sale, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to jump on in. And as an avid cross stitcher, I have never tried half stitching. It's literally half cross stitch. So I was like, okay, this is perfect for me. So as I said, in this video, we're going to unbox my order together. And then at the very end, I'm going to show you updates on how far I've gotten working on these kits. And then after showing you my progress, I'm also going to talk about their customer service because their customer service, like another spoiler alert, I can't talk. Another spoiler alert, their customer service is fantastic. It is, chef's kiss, as people say. Their customer service is so on point, and I'll explain why later on. And because I saw the quality in their kits as I'm working on them, as I unbox them, and their amazing customer service, I decided to sign up to become an ambassador for them. And while you might be like, great, another ambassador video, this video is going to be very one-sided and biased. No, because literally I filmed all this stuff before I signed up to be an ambassador, okay? But if you see something in this video and it piques your interest, you can use my code. I'll leave it down below. It's just bevbeecrafts, and you can save 10% off any product that you purchase. And I will definitely be ordering from them again soon. And if you are new here, I swear most of my videos are about diamond painting, but if you like crafts in general, or even you're thinking about starting diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's on, I don't know what side it's on. It's on either side of the screen at the bottom. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell because I upload new videos whenever I feel like it. So let's get into the unboxing, the update on progress, and also talking about their customer service. And then I'll come back and say goodbye. Okay, first, because I spent over X amount of money, I have no idea how much, I got socks. I don't really care about the socks, honestly, because they're cute, but like my socks are all black. So they're cute. Maybe I'll gift this to someone, or maybe I'll turn into a white sock girly. That sounds like baseball. Okay. And then I end up getting this. So this is what made me really want to order from them. So this is the half stitch needlepoint pouch, and it's supposed to come with everything inside of here, plus video guides. Easy peasy creativity. And this is the one that I've been eyeing for a little bit. And then when I saw that, hey, they're having a sale, I was like, okay, I'm going to wait till the sale. So let's open this up. Okay, I want to see what it's like. Oh, it's actually printed. Okay. So we have some instructions. Welcome to the wonderful world of needlepoint. What's inside, how to half stitch. I think it's just like a cross stitch. Yeah, so it's just like cross stitch. And then here's instructions, and then more instructions. Cover your tail, continue filling in the finish your yarn. Color guide. Okay, this is very helpful. Here's some tips and tricks. Okay, and then this, I believe, this is the pouch. It's not like super sturdy. I don't know what I was expecting, but I thought that maybe it would be sturdy and like kind of like sit up. Oh, it does kind of sit up on its own. Okay. So you can kind of see the size there, even though I'm filming black on black, but that's fine. And then we have a zipper over here. And I'm guessing, okay, so here's the inside. I could see this overflow of this mesh fabric kind of catching in the zipper in the future. So that is something I might consider trimming this off. I don't know, but we'll see. And then this is where all the supplies are. So we have a bunch of different stuff in here. We have different colors. I don't know why I was expecting there to be more, but there's not. Like more lengths, longer lengths of this. And then this is, okay. Okay, so there's the colors. And then here we have, what is this for? I don't know, but there's a needle in here, which is good. More colors. And then there's a lot of black because the whole entire background of this is black. And then we have, is this a zipper pull? I don't know what that is. Is that, okay. Is this a zipper pull? Like part of the zipper pull? I don't know. I'm confused. I'm confused. Look inside. Flower needle threader. Oh. So this is a needle threader. Oh, I see it now. So you can't really, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a, it's a needle threader. Okay, you can't see it, but there's like a little thin wire, and so you can thread your needles with it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so that is this. I don't know, should I put everything back in here? I feel like I should. And then this is my first, okay, not my first in my life because I'm literally old and I've done latch hook before, but it was like 30 years, no, not 30, that's an exaggeration, like 20 years ago, maybe, yeah, 20 years ago. It's like, how old am I? Okay, welcome to the club. Get ready to enjoy your new latch hooking kit. This is the kit that I got, Flower Vase Tulips, and share your creation with us. And then there's some stuff on the back. So let's take this off without ripping it maybe, so I can use this piece of cardboard from a junk journal. Oh, wow. Okay, so first, right off the bat, we have the rug. This is a decent sized rug. This is, okay, I'll film some B-roll to put over this. And then we have some instructions. So this is like the pattern. So if you're like looking for a craft kit that you can like bring places, this is not it, but like I craft mainly at home. Okay, here is latch hook rug instructions. There's a video, so that's really cool. I like that there is a video. And then more instructions, tips and tricks. You're done now. What? Snip, snip, snip. It's time for trimming. And then this is instructions, like visual instructions, which I really appreciate because, yeah, you can write stuff down, but I'm not going to get it. And also, I don't have the patience for watching a video, which is like funny because this is a video, but whatever. Okay, so here's the color guide. So then we know what colors go where. And then here's a giant version of the pattern. And then down here is a schematic, logo, and then a thumbnail of the latch hook kit itself. This is going to be really cute. And I don't know why these are in here. Maybe there wasn't enough of these colors to go in here. And then this is the latch hook tool. Interesting. Okay. Is this right? I feel like I thought this was supposed to be like springy, like, but okay, I'm not gonna doubt it because I like, again, I said I latch hook like 20 years ago, so I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, I started my latch hook kit. I don't know if latch hook is for me. I started at this row up here. You can see I've already like pulled or frayed some of the yarn, and then I'm like, okay, do I take the frayed thing out, or should I just leave it? Because eventually, like if I use this as an actual mat, it's going to get frayed, right? So I might just leave it. And then at the end, if I have extra of this yarn color, I'll go back and replace the really super frayed pieces like this. But also you're supposed to trim it. So there's that. And then I realized when I was working on it, like when I pulled this out properly, and I'm going to go back and watch like the previous clip probably, or the previous clips I filmed, but this is cracked. I don't know if you can see. It's literally like the hook is cracked. And I don't care. Yeah, it sucks because like the only thing I really care about is that it's cracked, and like it shouldn't come cracked because like this Latch hook kit, I got it on their anniversary sale, so it was cheaper. But like had I paid full price for this, I'd be like kind of peeved. But also like I don't care because it still works. Like it's maybe I'll get a sliver from it. But also I'm like, okay, if I end up liking Latch hook, I'm going to spend money. And like if you guys have been here for a while, you know that I'm like hyper fixated on like my crafts, and I like improving the things. Like for example, diamond painting, I don't use a pink pen. I have like so many of these pens. So I invest in the crafts that I like. So eventually if I keep doing this and I like it, I'm going to buy like a better Latch hook thing. And I've been like reading threads on Reddit, reading Latch hook pages, and looking for like what's the best Latch hook thing. So I'll probably replace this, but it kind of sucks that it's cracked. I'll probably honestly just tape it. Like I'll probably duct tape it. I know duct tape is like crafter's best friend. So I'll probably end up duct taping it. But I posted to my Instagram stories about like, okay, this like it came cracked, and I tagged the craft club account, and they're like, we're so sorry, blah, blah, blah. We want to look into it. Send us your order number, blah, blah. And I was just like, hey, it's not a big deal because, it still works. But they're literally so nice. Another update. I started this when I went to my friend Nikki's, like I said I was going to. So I don't know if you guys can tell. I finished the pink. The pink flowers are all done. And then I started the reddish, the light red flowers here. So I started that, and I haven't worked on it as much as I'd like to, but it's very easy. It's basically a half cross stitch. It's like a obviously it's called a half, I can't even talk, a half stitch kit. So I started that, and I think it's turning out really nice, but I'm noticing when I go to open it to work on it that the zipper does get stuck on the corners because of this overhang. So either I'm going to wait until I'm finished this to cut off this overhang, or I might just be fed up and like, I don't know why I would wait, honestly. Now that I'm thinking about it, like, why would I wait? But I'll probably cut off the overhang, at least in the corners, and then it can be like a functional thing once like the corners are cut off, because the zipper keeps getting stuck on them. So there's that. And then remember how when I was unboxing this, I showed it and the box was smashed. So the craft club sent out an email and was like, oh, we're so sorry. I don't know if it's just people who ordered these because these are brand new, but I guess they were like, we chose the wrong cardboard. I'll put a screenshot on the screen. We chose the wrong cardboard. Here's the $20 off code for your next full price purchase. So I'm like, that's actually like, okay, it came crushed. Yes, the box came crushed, but everything inside is totally functional. But the very fact that they were like, hey, we're sorry, it came crushed. Here's a $20 coupon, whatever. Like, just the fact that they care enough to say that, I was like, okay, I like this company. Hi again, my face. So just reminding you that everything after the intro of this video, so the unboxing, the update, the customer service, blah, 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 was filmed before I applied to be an ambassador. So just know that those were my honest thoughts. Those were my honest opinions. I do really enjoy working on these kits, and I think that they're ideal even if you are an intermediate or beginner to stitching or to latch hook. I think it comes with everything you need, okay? But I'm going to stop talking now. If you do want to order something, feel free to use my discount code or find yourself a discount code, or even just wait until they have a sale. Like, I'm not pressuring you to use my discount code, but if you do decide to use my code, I would appreciate it, and just know that I would get a small percentage of your sale But that's it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell. And end of gang video, if you made it this if you made it this far, I'm trying to talk fast. If you made it this far, make sure you leave a flower emoji or just comment down below and let me know what you think about these kits. Are you going to try it? Have you tried latch hooking? I want to know that too. Have you tried half stitch? Do you like cross stitch? Tell me about all the crafts you like. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!